This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Morning guys, Steve Lav here. It is January 6, 2019. This one here we're going to do a backpack, Klein backpack giveaway. Value Testers, which is my sponsor for my channel, sent me one of the backpacks to do a giveaway with it. And I've been teamed up with Value Testers for a while now, almost a year. And great company. I really like dealing with the guys. And I think they're the best tool company on the web. And they sent this, as gratitude for the subscribers. And I'm going to do a random giveaway for this Klein backpack. I did do a video on it. A few days back, the Klein backpack, and I'm going to kind of cut that video up and put it in this so you get to see what the backpack looks like. And what you're going to have to do to be eligible to win for this backpack is leave a comment with Value Testers in a comment. Value Testers is the company, tool company that sent this to me to do a giveaway. So we'll honor him and we'll use his name as being eligible to win. So number one, you gotta leave a comment, Value Testers. I'll do a drawing for the winner in a week, and you'll have 1 day to respond, and you'll have to leave your name, address, email, and phone number, because I am going to be shipping it out UPS, and I need that information when I go there. They always ask for that information. So just a quick little giveaway. I do them once in a while. I do giveaways, and this is a nice little bag. I mean, for a tool bag, for the price, it was. That's why he sent it to me. He said it was a good price, and it was a decent bag, and a lot of guys might be able to use this, and it'll help them out in the field and whatnot. So that's why I did look at the bag. I did do a quick little opening and a review of it. It's a nice bag. I'd definitely use it out in the field. But he sent it to me for a giveaway, so I got to give it away. So it's got a nice rubber bottom on it. Klein tools. It says $89. It was a pretty good deal for. Oh yeah, look at all the stuff you can put in there. Yeah, look at all the room they got in there. This would be nice. Nice setup for the price. What we got here in the front? You got also something here in the front. Nice big pouch in the front here. You put your meter in here or whatever. What do we got up front here? Got some more storage in here with pouches. Let's get some more storage up front here. Nice setup for $89. I mean, this is probably what I should be using for my tools. It's got a nice back strap. I got the rubber bottom on it. It's got a thing here for your tape measure. Very nice. What do we got on this side? The zipper kind of goes down on an angle, so this thing can open way up. Got some more pockets here. It's got something for tape. Nice unit for the price. Oh yeah, 89 bucks. Now, for the price of this Klein, $89. Check it out at Value Testers. They have them. Doesn't seem that heavy. Don't seem that. It seems like a nice unit for the price. The rubber bottom. Very nice, very nice. I think it's well worth the $89. I'll leave a link in the description of my videos. Value Testers. They're the guys that sent this. And if you guys are interested in any kind of tools, go check them guys out. Like I said, they're running a pretty good special on this thing, $89. I mean, it's well worth the money. Klein tools. Very nice. Designed in America, made in China. Like I said, just a quick little video. Miss Molly here, she's just sleeping on me. This is kind of like her spot where she always likes to hang out with me. She's a big star of the show. But yeah, I take her to work with me, this little dog, and this is like there's a little place where she loves to sleep right here in my arms. So if I'm on a computer working, she climbs up on me and wants to sleep here. So I've had her for 3 months. She's 6 months old. I've got her as a puppy, and I got a little bed here on the computer table where she sleeps sometimes. But this is kind of like where she likes to. She feels safe here, I guess. So kind of cool to have a dog. I never had a dog do this before, so I don't want to push her away. Whatever, she wants to sleep on me, that's fine. But anyway, guys, just got a quick little video. Nice little Klein bag, and if you guys do go to Value Testers and you sign up over there, you get better pricing, because from what he told me, certain things he's got a label at a certain price because of the companies. But when you sign up over there at Value Testers and you become a member, you get special pricing on. You'll get a discount on a lot of the stuff. All right, guys. Just a quick little one. Have a good day, and more videos to come.